Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got to another video. In this video I'll show you how you can create a Zengo wallet account. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's start. So for that, simply go ahead first, open up your app on your phone, make sure you have installed, and then tap on this option of continue further. Now if you want to simply recover your previous account as well, then you can enter your email and go to the next process. Otherwise, for you to create a new account as well, you have to first enter your particular email address. Once you're done, tap on continue. Now you have to verify your email. Now you're going to tap on open my email. Go ahead, go to the Gmail, tap on open. Then you would have received the email right over here. Once you have got the verify link, go ahead, open up your email, go over there, tap on the link. Then you will have to provide the code, and then once you're done by verifying yourself, you will be able to create yourself a password. And there you go, you will be able to create yourself an account right away likewise. So that is how you can do it. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll see you guys in our next video.